5 things you must do immediately after sex to prevent yourself from developing urinary tract infection or vaginal infections. Sexual activity exposes a woman to developing infection. Reason being that the vulva is colonized by different kind of bacteria, and this is due to the fact that the anus, which is the outlet of the gastrointestinal system through which you pass feces, is a habitat for millions of bacteria. But the urinary tract, that is the opening through which you pass urine, is sterile, which means there is no bacteria found in it on a normal basis. Now, when you engage in sexual activity, it dislodges different bacteria from their normal habitat to other places. So, if you don't wash immediately after this act, you stand at risk of having this bacteria crawl into the urinary tract and causing infection there. So if you want to prevent yourself from having recurrent infection immediately after having sex, make sure you wash anytime you engage in it. The second one you have to do is to avoid douching. Douching is the act of washing the vagina. You don't need to wash the vagina. Vagina is self-cleansing. When I say wash off, I mean wash the vulva, alright? Don't insert your hand into that hole. You are going to distort the normal ecosystem of the vagina, change the pH, distort the whole bacteria there that are normally protective, and then leave that place bare to be attacked by any microorganism. So please, never you gouge after sex. Another thing you have to avoid is taking antibiotics. Please do not take antibiotics after sex. Antibiotics is not a contraceptive. It's not to be taken prophylactically by anyone. Alright? Don't take it in anticipation for infection. No. You only take it when you have infection. Because there are different antibiotics for different microorganisms. So, if you take antibiotics, what it does is that it goes down to that vagina. Those lactobacillus, all those microorganisms that act as normal body flora and protect your vagina, it just go and wipe all of them out. All those bad bacteria that colonize the vulva will now crawl into the vagina and cause vaginitis. You start having infection. So if you want to avoid having infection, please don't take antibiotics. Okay? If you think you are having symptoms of infection, go and see your doctor. The next thing you should do is to avoid using scented wipes and cream to rub that area. You don't need it to scent. That area has its natural smell. It's natural. There's nothing you can do about it. So using scented product to clean that area will only expose you to infection. If you must use wipe, please use baby wipes. Don't use any kind of wipes, okay? The next thing you have to do is to make sure you use protection. Use of condoms are one of the major ways of preventing sexually transmitted infection. Apart from the other ones that can come through contact with the scrotum, the warts from the HPV, that one, condom cannot prevent it, but most other sexually transmitted infection can be prevented by the use of condom. So please use protection at all times, unless you trust your partner. So basically, these are the things you should avoid if you want to have a safe sex without developing recurrent infection. If you learned something from this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment so that the YouTube algorithm will pick up this video and push it further to other people. Thank you for staying up till now. I still remain Family Doctor. See you in my next video.